Waze wakhohlakala uGcwabe. Waze wangcola uGcwabe. Ngiyazi mina into enje. Angiyazi into enje angifuna nokuqapha amanga. Hayibo waze wakhohlakala ubaba. Hayi. Hayi ke guysini akuyena yini phela uGcwabe uthi nje yena njengenhloko yekhaya ufila responsible ukuthi kumele kube uyena umuntu nje rightful okumele ahambe eyokhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. Uthi nje uZwelakhe usebenzisa isibongo ekungesona futhi nje uZwelakhe kumele ephume esibongweni. So therefore uyaya ke lapha kwamambokazi and uZwelakhe uthi ayibo ngiyaphi nawe mina ngiyaphi nawe angiyilapho mina. Uthi no mina sihambe semnambithi so that ngizokukhipha kahle esibongweni because usebenzisa isibongo ekungesona. Even nale ntombazana uyilobolile nje uyifayile nje amabhadi ingane yabantu ukuyinika isibongo ekungesona esakho. Uthi like okay you know what it's fine Gcwabe hamba wena emnambithi inkinga ayikho but mina angiyi. Hayi ke uGcwabe wabantu proceed uyaya uyoshisa impepho khuluma nabadala guysini uthi nje mina njengomina yimi I am the rightful heir. I am the leader of this family. So therefore, mina, ngiyabona ukuthi kudlaliwe ngane bantu abadala you were all deceived. Ngokuthi nithatha ingane engeyoneni. So mina ke njengo rightful heir wala ekhaya ngizokhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. Oh my guys, I mean that funny. That part was funny to me. Ubantu ke phela ushisa iphepha sho kanjalo badlozini. Othi nje mina ngizokhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. So therefore wathatha ukhamba ke guysini lolu khamba ngathi beninomqombothi. But I'm like okay nini uGcwabe ugaye lo bani. But I'm like okay no that's fine. And then wathatha inkosama ukhamba wathi uzama ukulibulala. Wathi nje yabona nje lolu khamba mase selfile this will be then a sign or a symbol ukuthi hayi ngempela uZwelakhe usephumile esibongweni sakaMkhize sekazozibona ukuthi ufana nobani. Hey lwathi ukhamba uyangazi kahle mina. Lathi ukhamba lalela sabangani mina nawe. Lathi ukhamba soze ayi hey ngeke ayi ukhamba badlala ungichazile andifuni ukungasho like bengi happy I was so impressed ngokukhamba. Lwathi nje ukhamba eyibo asihlobene nanokuhlobana nje. Asibona ngisho nabangani so nje please iyeke lento ethi uyayizama ayizameki vele uyiyeke. So that was that ke on uGcwabe in his attempts yokukhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. And I think this is a sign ukuthi bandla uZwelakhe as much as he is not Mkhize by blood but he was accepted as Mkhize and even amadlozi akaMkhize accepted him. So nje into ezanywa uGcwabe akayiyeke. And even ngisho umsawenkosi uZwelakhe's brother hayi useyithwele uye indlela akayibona ngayo sibe nje ibize ngondlalifa imondlalifa la and I know that he will be influenced and poisoned by uGcwabe. That boy knows absolutely nothing about running a business. But anyway, mina, I must say that I was happy and satisfied. Ukubona uGcwabe disappointed. I'm disappointed, shame. Asamahlozi no, asibona phela abangani thina. Thina siyam accept nje uZwelakhe, asinankinga noZwelakhe clearly. Icacile. Ukuthi umuntu onenkinga noZwelakhe wena, thina sinayo. Listen, uGcwabe is a weapon formed against Zwelakhe. Because what do you mean? What do you mean that men enjoy making Zwelakhe's life thus difficult? Now he shows up at work. He has apparently called a family, not a family meeting, rather, a work meeting with the employees. I'm guessing he wants to announce the new management, which is himself. And uZwelakhe is like pissed, you know. He goes out and be like, "Hi, Gcwabe, what exactly are you doing?" And uGcwabe is like, "Listen, just go wait in the office. I will come back and address you as well." So he addresses the workers that many things about to change within the company. And he goes back to uZwelakhe. And he's like, hey, because You are within the Mkhize premises. You are within the Mkhize company. What is your surname again? Sithini isibongo sakho? And you know that he's trying to mock Uzwelakhe and uthi nje, oh, I forgot ukuthi konje vele isibongo sakho awusazi. Sana like Uzwelakhe uyasho ukuthi kodwa Mkhize Mncwabe yini inkinga yakho owawusho because akwazi ukuthi ulwa kangaka ulwela nje business lenye indoda. And I'm just like, vele, this makes zero sense. Like, 0 sense. This is why I'm like, listen, if there is a weapon formed against Uzwelakhe, it has to be uGcwabe. Like, Gcwabe legit is a weapon formed against Uzwelakhe. Meanwhile, shame, bandla, Mkhize, Mkhize usnikeza fresh air, shame. Oh, baby girl, why am I calling her Mkhize? I'm sorry, Mbokazi. Oh, baby girl still refuses to tell us who's ubani. Personally, I want to know because now I'm here making assumptions. My assumption is probably, something bad happened to Mbokazi, like someone forced himself on her, and that's how she conceived Uzwelakhe. And Ukhetho Kuhle, her late husband, knew about this. And he was like, listen, it's fine. It's okay. I will take over. I will take the boy and I will raise the boy as my own. Like, that's the only logical thing that I'm thinking. Because remember, when it was Mbokazi's lobola, it came out to no auntie who was really making her to do nasty things with men. You get it was something like that. So I'm thinking she conceived Uzwelakhe around that time, and Ukhetho Kuhle found out and was like, listen, you're gonna be my wife regardless, and I'm gonna raise this boy as my own. This is the only logical thing that I'm thinking. But also I'm like, yindaba Mbokazi, we must make our own assumptions, because at this point it looks like Mbokazi uthi nje lalelani, if niyayifuna kangako indaba zakwami, make your own assumptions, because I ain't ready to give you indzaba zakwami. And Kesana, I'm telling you, we are left to speculate. Hey, let's talk about Zwelakhe being romantic. Kesana, oh, sana. Hi, shame, Indota must be romantic. Indota must be a romantic man. Because what do you mean that he, like, officially proposes to Ubahumi? A big stone, Kesana, biggest stone of in a parachute, the baby boop, I guess, I'm like, high cake is such romanticness when a man gives you the biggest stone that you have ever seen in your whole life. While you guys are flying a parachute, oh, sana, ubu romantic obungaka. Uzwelakhe with romanticness, ne? Oh, this relationship overall, sana, it gives me chills. It makes me believe in love. Oh, I believe in love. Yeah, guys, what do you all think? Sana waze wakhohlakala uGcwabe. Listen, the cat is out of the bag because uGcwabe decided ukuthi nje yena he can no longer hold a secret anymore, and went in front of everybody, in front of phambi kwabantu ke sana, and announces ukuthi uZwelakhe is not Khetho Kuhle's son. So the Mkhizes were busy celebrating Zwelakhe's lobola. Everything went well, Zwelakhe and Bahumi were updating each other. Things was going accordingly, until guess who arrives? uGcwabe. Sana, I'm defeated. I am so defeated because uGcwabe is beyond ukhohlakala. Angazi ukuthi I can ever found words to describe uGcwabe. If someone says described uGcwabe, Baby boy walks in and call the whole thing shameful and be like, yeah, Zwelakhe, have you forgotten ukuthi wena awuyena ingane kaKhitho Kuhle? And then he therefore started calling uMampokazi names. Ukuthi, yeah, wena Mampokazi uyiseqa mgwaqo, this, that, and the other thing. And I'm like, Haibo. And also he says, uMampokazi umphoxile ubhuti wakhe, like umphoxile ubhuti wami wena, and you were just a disgraceful wife to my brother. I'm like, bro, uzazelaphi indaba zabantu ababili? Like, how do you know such information? Ukuthi, like, how did your brother truly feels about his wife? You know what I mean? And then Uzwelakhe also lost his cool because like any other human being, you wouldn't want your mom to be insulted, you know. Zwelakhe is like, hey, yeah, baba, uzobala magama akho when you are addressing my mom. You know, you will start counting your words. You will start knowing who exactly are you addressing. You will not address my mom in that manner. I will not have you addressing my mother in that manner. Before you know it, now the whole commotion, Umusa Wenkosi is like his younger brother, naye, you know, he's like, oh yeah, now I understand, everything makes sense now. This is why you had us doing the DNA test. You knew very well that you might not be our father's child, so therefore you decided to conduct this DNA test, okay? Umhlaba also felt a bit betrayed, you know, ukuthi haibo, what is happening now? You know, and Umhlaba like left the whole scene. Umhlaba was like, listen, I'm leaving the whole thing. I can't handle what is happening because what do you mean? Like, what is happening right now, you know? So Umhlaba left the whole scene. And I do believe that uGcwabe, his intentions obviously are not pure. And I do believe that his main intentions is to come back to the family company. Remember, he was fired by Uzwelakhe. And I do believe that he plans to manipulate Umusa Wenkosi into thinking that he is big and strong and he can run the company without Uzwelakhe. He plans to manipulate Umusa Wenkosi to say, you are the rightful heir, so therefore you should take over the family business, which will be a huge manipulation. Like, we know how Umusa Wenkosi lives. You know, he lives a super reckless lifestyle. He is absolutely in no position to run a whole company. He knows absolutely nothing to run about running a business or a company. So uGcwabe will manipulate Umusa Wenkosi just so that he can get inside the family business and start doing some shenanigans. Guys, ngibonile la ukuthi kunokhamba uGcwabe kade uzama ukuqhekeza. Unfortunately for uGcwabe, ukhamba aqhekezekanga. So I understand what's the deal ngalula khamba. I understand ukhamba lwani lolo, what's the deal, you know? And I asked myself, lola khamba zama ukuqhekeza akusileli bakathi uloya ngalo at some point, because lo baba lo, yeah, he has done some shenanigans, you know? But yeah, guys, shocker, yes, Anna, shocker, obstacles after obstacles. Listen, Gwababa just don't want to see Zwelakhe happy. This is a huge obstacle. Also, like, when we are just guessing, who do you think Zwelakhe's father is? You know, I am running out of curiosity. I'm like, who might be the dad, though? Who might be Zwelakhe's dad? uMampokazi does not look like she is ready to let us know ukuthi ubani ubaba kaZwelakhe. Oh my God, sikulandile. Guys, ubahumi simulanzile. Finally, we all thought this lobola negotiations were never gonna happen, right? But Bahumi and Zwelakhe, it's official. The lobola, the first step to marriage, has officially been done and dusted. in love, Kesana. In love with both of them. Like, I am in love. Okay, Wahumi was such a beautiful bride. Anyway, of course, Ugcwabe tried to sabotage the lobola. Of course, Ugcwabe tried to sabotage the lobola, but unfortunately, he did not succeed, because when he tried to convince Umhlaba otherwise, Umhlaba could not believe ukuthi indeed Uzwelakhe is not a Mkhize. We even saw Umusa pulling through for Uzwelakhe. We know that Umusa was a bit hesitant. Was like, I'm not gonna attend. I'm not gonna show up. I don't wanna show up, you know. But he pulled through for Uzwelakhe, and it was beauty. When I tell you that it was beauty, it was beauty. Even Zwelakhe was so happy when they came back with the feedback. Lobola is done and dusted. Hey, what Zwelakhe. Anyways, we also saw Ugcwabe ke esifike emva kwendaba isona nkosami ngoGcwabe showed up at the Mtaunges and be like, oh, you all shouldn't accept lobola from Uzwelakhe, because Uzwelakhe and Mr. Mtaunge was like, drop the act, Ntate. Drop the act. Okay, I have been seeing through you that you're trying to sabotage this boy, so drop it, and drop it right now. Anyway, usufike emva kwendzaba. So yeah, guys, it is official. It's happening. I think the wedding dates also just should be released. Oh, Sana, the procrastinating. They should just release that. So once again, Ugcwabe fails, Sana, dismally in trying to sabotage Uzwelakhe and Ubahumi. And this was about time, child. Oh, Sana, this lobola has been postponed for far too long. If it was postponed again, I guess we're all just gonna scream at the righties. So they did well, they did well. They ate by saying, okay, let's the proceeding go ahead. Let's the proceeding go ahead. Mampokazi still insists that Ketsokohle is Zwelakhe's father, and she is not willing to tell Zwelakhe who is his real dad, causing tension between the two of them. Zwelakhe is organizing the whole lobola without involving Mampokazi. If anything, Uzwelakhe has decided to hand over everything to Kethiwe, which of course does not sit well with Zwelakhe, with Mampokazi, and Mampokazi does confront Uzwelakhe. Uzwelakhe is like, the day you are willing to give me an address of who is my real dad, perhaps me and you can start talking. Meanwhile, Ugcwabe is mad at the fact that Uzwelakhe decided to organize the whole lobola without involving him. Therefore, they started talking about Nhlanhla going to work, and that the younger brother of Zwelakhe's does absolutely nothing, just sleeps and does absolutely nothing, go grooving, partying, and obviously trying to pursue the DJing career. And then an idea pops up into Ugcwabe's mind. He's like, actually, I think Mampokazi wanted this purposefully. She wanted to sideline the real Mkhize just so that her legitimate son can inherit everything and run all the Mkhize businesses. He's like, you know what? I have an idea right now, and I'm not gonna stand by and watch Mampokazi run this whole thing. I did say that Ugcwabe will start grooming Zwelakhe's irresponsible. Mind you, this brother is very irresponsible brother to take over the business. And since him and Zwelakhe are not in good space, as soon as he finds out about Zwelakhe not being a real Mkhize, obviously he will be driven by anger, and anger may cause him to do just about anything. Anger may cause him to do just about anything.
just so that he can spite Uzwelakhe. Indeed, Ugcwabe goes and wake him up and tell him that his life must change, must start, taking responsibilities, being a good person. And then he does say, you know what, I don't blame you that much though, because your father passed away when you were really young. He was the one who was supposed to guide you and show